My goal is for collectively everybody to be getting money. That's it. I don't have no other goals. If you happen to stumble across this video or whatever it is and you were interested in it enough to leave it a thumbs up, enough to share it with somebody, enough to watch it again, enough to, subscribe to my channel, whatever it is, I appreciate that. For all of you guys who constantly come back and constantly show me love and constantly rock with my channel, I appreciate y'all. For the people who just coming through here and looking for some quick answers for something and thinking that looking at my video is gonna give them the quick answer that they need. I mean, sometimes it might if it's something small, but if you're looking for like a key to success or some type of formula, and you think you're gonna get it from every second or view from my channel, then you probably don't want to even be on this channel. Because that's when I'm not here pretending to have the keys to success. That's not my goal. My goal, this is called the ROLL100 experience. This means I'm sharing my experience with everybody who's interested in learning about my experience. And if you like it, cool. And if you don't, skip the video and go to the next video. And that's real. That's as real as I can be, because I got 5-minute videos and you had to sit through a minute of the intro. Okay? I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I'm friends with musicians. I am a musician. A lot of times my intro and my outro is something very, to me, is something that I want the world to hear. So I don't care. Like, if you don't like the music, or if you don't like to sit around for 30 seconds and you can't skip in to get to the video, then deuces. You feel me? I'm not here to beg for subscribers. I only want authentic people who want to be here. This ain't jail. I'm not rounding people up and putting you here and saying, yeah, you got to watch these videos. These are videos that you on your own either stumbled across, or somebody shared with you, or I asked you to come and look at my videos. And if you come here and you getting some meat, and you getting some potatoes, and you getting a little laugh here and there, then you getting exactly what I'm putting out. A laugh here and there, some tips here and there, sharing my experience with the grind gang. That's all I'm here to do. I got so much more to come. I'm showing you guys what I do with Instacart. And I'm showing you guys what I do with DoorDash. And I'm showing you with Skip the Dishes and all of these other, but I got so much other stuff brewing right now. And I'm gonna share all of that with you too, but I have to experience it first before I start sharing it with you, or I have no clue what I'm talking about. So it's the ROLL100 experience. So as I experience it, as I delve into deeper things, then I share those things with you guys. And hopefully some of those things you might be interested in. Some of them you might not. There are plenty of people that watch my videos who don't do Instacart and not even thinking about doing Instacart. But they watch my videos for one reason or another, whatever it is. And I appreciate them. Even if it's just to realize my channel is not an Instacart channel. This is not an Instacart channel. I happen to do Instacart and I happen to have Instacart videos, but this channel is not about Instacart. This channel is about the ROLL100 experience, about how I do things, about how I make my moves in life, and anybody interested can see whatever I decide to share with you. It's not real TV, so I'm not going to follow myself. I don't care if it's a vlog. I'm not going to follow myself to the bathroom or every little place that I go. Like, yeah, guys, look at this. I'm doing this. You don't need to know all that. All you need to know is what I'm willing to share with you, just like all I need to know is what y'all willing to share with me. And hopefully y'all sharing with me y'all tactics, how y'all hustling, how y'all grinding, because I'm going to share with you my tactics, how I'm hustling, how I'm grinding. And collectively, my goal is for collectively everybody to be getting money. That's it. I don't have no other goals. My goal is not to be the top dude on YouTube. My goal is not to have the best videos with no content. My goal is not to have the worst videos with a lot of content. Those are not my goals. It's not about videos. My goal is to share with people, have people share with me until we all getting money. That's my goal. It's your boy, ROLL100. You already know what it is. I do it so you don't have to. Hey, remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Hey,